Thank you for joining me once again for a Funko Pop unboxing. I'm trying to round out my collection with all of the Disney World 50th anniversary Funkos, and I have more here to show you. Let's start with the Target exclusive. This is a Pop Deluxe. This is the Queen of Hearts at the Mad Hatter's Tea Party, number 1107. The original in-store price on this was about $30. However, on Target.com, I was able to find it for $24.99. But using my red card and free shipping, I was able to get 5% off, so my final cost was $23.74 before taxes. The next Funko I have, I pre-ordered on Amazon. It was originally supposed to be released on December 22nd of 2021. But with Amazon, as always, they sent me the email that says your order's been delayed. And I received it on February 8th. Here it is. This is a Pop Town Funko, number 26. This is Cinderella Castle with the iridescently dressed Mickey Mouse. My original price when I pre-ordered on Amazon was $29.99, but because Amazon has their best price guarantee, I was able to get it for $27.44. The final Funko I have didn't really have a release date stated. This one's kind of a chase variant, if you'd like to call it that. This is also Pop Town number 26. This is Cinderella Castle with golden Mickey Mouse. For some reason, it was released at the beginning of February on Shop Disney UK, but it never came to Shop Disney America. Constantly, I was on Shop Disney multiple times a day just checking to see if they had released it on there, because it was supposed to be released on Shop Disney and at the parks. However, on February 7th, it came to Walt Disney World. And the stories are that these were sold out so fast, and they kept putting them back on the shelves for the first couple of days, and they were just gone. They were absolutely impossible to get because they wouldn't stay on the shelves. So throughout the next month, these were in, they were out, 10 would be here, 10 would be here, and they'd sell out as soon as they put them out. However, we went down on February 24th for the Run Disney Princess Half Marathon weekend. To my surprise, on the first day, we were at Disney Springs. They had a wall of these things at pin traders behind the cash register. And throughout that whole weekend, I was seeing them in and out of Epcot and Magic Kingdom. So they were there, but by the time we left at the end of the weekend, they were all gone and I didn't see them coming back. The original price for this was $40, but with my annual pass 20% discount, I was able to get it for $32. So I officially have all of the Wave 1 Walt Disney World 50th Anniversary Funkos. Stay tuned because we should start getting our Wave 2 Funkos pretty soon. I think that the Cinderella Castle with gold Mickey is my favorite so far. However, I'm looking forward to that Funko from Wave 2 where Mickey Mouse is in front of Space Mountain. Have you been collecting the Disney World 50th Anniversary Funko Pops? Have you gotten all your Wave 1s? Are you looking forward to your Wave 2s? Put it in the comments below. But until next time, remember, no capes.